Welcome to Octane Addicts. I'm right here in beautiful Easley, South Carolina at Hot Rods on the Rail. I'm your host, Kobbie. For this ride, let's take a walk around and check some of these cars out. Now, as everybody knows, of course, I'm a VW guy. This is actually mine. It's first time out this season. Little 66. Check them out as we make our way down. A good buddy of mine right here, local, with a 66 Mustang Coupe, small block 289, pumping out all the ponies. It's a little bad to the bone car. And for all you Fox body lovers, of course, we got Danny Jones's little Fox body. It's one of the baddest in the business around here. How about this gorgeous 08 Bullet? I mean, just what else can you say? Supercharged. It's as bad as it can be. Now, this is a throwback on some Volkswagen stuff here. How about a 58 Volkswagen with a 40 Ford front end on it? You don't ever see that anymore. And it's an oval with a rag top. And if you want to get America, just go see Dave. Dave is the epitome of America. Check that out. Say hey, Dave. Hey. Now, this caught my eye earlier. This is absolutely insane. Look at the fab work on this car. This is a little hot rod, rat rod, whatever you want to call it. Lexan roof, big block, sitting on the ground. That thing looks like it would handle corners like a dream. That thing is insane. Now, for all you nostalgia people, this is a serious throwback NHRA car. This car just came out. They just found it in a barn. It's all original. Only thing they did was fix the water pump on it and clean the fuel system in it. Look at them blowers on it. When have you seen blowers like this? They're insane. The interior is perfect, even though it was in a barn for who God knows how long. They never did say it's a bad ride. When do you ever see a Suburban? Not only is this just bad to the bone, it's laying on the ground, beautiful leather interior. You can just smell the leather just coming out of it. It is phenomenal. They daily drive this. Kids eat Chick-fil-A in the back seat of this thing all the time, he says. You want to talk about a reflector getter? That static drop laying on the ground Volkswagen thing. I'm surprised it actually made it here. I've been wanting a thing for a long time. I've kind of been trying to work out a deal on this little thing. It's just cool as crap. Who can't love a split window bus with safari windows in it? It's a rat rod, but it's a bad rod. Now, I know Matt, the camera guy, he loves these eyelashes because I know he flips his up all the time in the mornings to get them all prettied up. This is kind of his idea. If I could paint this thing, I'd probably cruise it around. It's pretty cool. Custom paint, couple single cabs. I'm gonna take you over here to this rat rod. You want to talk about detail. Matt, be careful right here. You can't touch these two wires together. That's 1,000 volts that are gonna get you. Take a look inside of all the detail in this thing. He's got a rat in there, a couple dead things. There's no telling. CB radio. It's hot. We ought to take these off and go water skiing. I mean, come on. Yeah, the rats are eating on the molding. I didn't even see that. The rats are eating the molding off. Come on now. We're out here sweating to death, Matt. Look at all these people sitting under the shade, having ice cold drinks. I mean, come on. We need to be over there instead of doing this. Now, for all you Fast and Furious guys, of course, this is Butch's Fast and Furious car. It's way over the top, but that's Butch. He is way over the top. There's just a lot of cool stuff here, man. I don't even know where to begin other than I wish the train would come by. It's been by a whole bunch of times, but come take a look at this truck over here. How about a big Block C10? I want to say the guy said it's 592 cubic inches. Gorgeous TMI interior in it. Paint is just laid down to the nines. I mean, it's a phenomenal. Then your little 64 C10, small block, clean. He just picked this up the other day. It's his first time out with it. It is insane. There's so many cars to look at, guys. We don't have time for everything, but I want to thank you guys for playing along, taking a little ride with us around beautiful Easley, South Carolina. We'll see you next time right here at Octane Addicts.